our travel pack is absolutely perfect to take with you on holiday. Weekend break, week away, don't want the stress of having to work out how much liquid toiletries you can take. Take this. Not only are you being more sustainable, you're giving yourself less of a headache. So here we have our solid travel pack. You have a soap with lavender, ylang-ylang essential oils, shampoo conditioner bar, 2-in-1, and a lotion bar. So how do we use them? Well, the soap, you would as any other. Simply wet the bar, wet your skin, rub all over and clean. It's made up of coconut oil, olive oil, almond, avocado oils, shea butter and cocoa butter, and those beautiful essential oils of lavender, ylang-ylang and lemon. Now follow up with the 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner bar. Simply wet the bar, wet your hair, rub it all over, creating a generous lather. This also has shea butter in for moisture, castor oil for hair growth, sea spinach extract for shine, vegan keratin for strength, and a beautiful blend of essential oils. There's vetiver, geranium, lavandin, lavender, and clary sage. And they go to help hair and scalp health. When you get out of the shower, on damp skin, just rub the lotion bar all over, just leaving a gentle, protective layer of hydration on your skin. This is made with cocoa butter, and it's also got coconut oil, calendula extract, so any kind of cuts or grazes, it will help to heal the skin faster. Obviously, there are some waxes in there to keep it solid, and sweet orange essential oil, so it smells like chocolate orange. So that is your 3-in-1 travel pack. Don't forget yours next time you go on holiday.
Flor y Amor.